Mez from Curves and Diamonds. Today we have got a special unboxing to do. It is a, well, it's not a new company, but it is a new diamond company to me because I haven't ordered from here before. But I have been so excited in receiving these. Oh my God, I've lost my train of thought. Anyway, these diamond paintings, and I can't wait to show you all. I'm sure all of you know Mel from Mel's diamond paintings. Now, I bought two. She did have a sale on, so I bought two diamond paintings, but yeah, I will do one today, and I will do the other one when I start kitting up on it. But yeah, if you are new here, I forgot to say that before, but if you are new here, welcome to the channel. If you like the content and so forth, please hit that like and subscribe button, and join me on my journey of diamond painting. So if you do like diamond painting and you enjoy my content, then please press the like button as well. So it doesn't cost anything, it is free for you to do. It just helps out my channel, and I'm just starting out, so that will be greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. Now, the diamond painting that I'm doing today, I absolutely love the packaging, by the way. It is called the Feathers of Eternity Premium Render. It's 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters, or 23 inches by 23 inches. And this is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning. Like, I just saw it in the photos and I was like, oh my God, I have to have that. Yeah. The packaging is immaculate as well. Like the cylinder. The only thing is that this here, this comes undone. And yes, let's have a look at stuff. I'm already loving this, guys. So trying to be as quiet as I can. Okay, so the first thing, canvas is absolutely amazing. It does have the scalloped edges here, which is absolutely brilliant, and it is a soft, fluffy material. So this is a really good sign because it means that it'll actually level out itself, and it'll straighten out when you're actually done painting. The other good thing that I like is that it comes up already kitted up, so it comes already in baggies. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. Like, tell me this is not stunning. Like, this just gives you happy vibes, like rainbow vibes. But yeah, so it will level itself out. Oh my goodness, guys. This is, I just like to say, this kit is absolutely stunning. Okay. Sorry, my desk is so small. So up the top, you've just got Mel's diamond painting, and it's just got her logo up the top. Down the bottom, you've got Where Dreams Sparkle in Every Diamond. You then have Mel's website. If you can see it, let me move it. You've got Mel's website here. And on the left-hand side, you've got Mel's diamond painting NDSO6 60 by 60, The Feathers of Eternity, Mel's AI art. Okay, so I'll take it this is an AI picture, which I really don't like AI pictures. So I'm not one of those to turn around and say, oh my God, it's AI. But anyway, this is stunning. I can't even. The stickiness is amazing. The plastic sheet on top of it is quite thick. So it's not thick, but it's just perfect, I think, for the diamond painting. But can you not see how stunning she is? Just imagine her with all of these colours. Like, literally. This is absolutely stunning. I'm in love. Mel, you did a really great job. Wow. So, yeah. I seriously want to kick this up now and actually start working on it. I think this is going to be my next bit. This is going to be my next painting. I'm doing a custom one at the moment, but absolutely stunning. I will do a pan over just towards the end of the video. And I don't want to take the diamonds out, but you can actually see the colours. I'll take my glasses off. Absolutely stunning. I'll try and put them closer. It's absolutely stunning. Alright, so what do you get with the pack? In the pack, this is amazing. You get the sticker sheet. So you've got Mel's The Feathers of Eternity Premium Render. You get the picture. It gives you the type of diamonds, the artist, which is Mel, where dreams sparkle in every diamond, and then you've got the website again and the little logo here. It looks like it's a one-page sticker sheet, and these here, the stickers here, the thing, they're individually cut, so you can actually take them out and either stick them on your trays or leave it as is. Usually I just leave it as is and then I put it in my little journal. But yeah, it's absolutely perfect. Okay everyone, I'm back. Welcome back. And now we're going to go through the toolkit. So far, first impressions, I'm really impressed. Oh my god, this is stunning. This is so cute. How do I do it? I don't even know how this works. Guys, how does it work? I'm going to break it. I don't want to break. Oh, here we go. What a stunning toolkit. Look at that. And it's got the lid as well. And it closes. So you can actually store your diamonds in here as well, which is great. And I love the colour because it's my favourite colour. So that gets me excited. Now we've got the actual toolkit. And this is absolutely stunning. So I've got a premium pen and I've got a 6-placer and an angled single placer. I don't use those, so we'll be swapping that out. And it is a, no, I thought it was a screw in. Oops a daisy. I think I must have done something here, okay? I bet you I broke it, of course I did. Anyway, moving on. Can't take me anywhere. Cannot take me anywhere. Of course I would break things. Okay, let's just take everything out before I break things even more. So you get your little container of wax. You get about 3. Yeah, so you get 3 wax squares. Oh my gosh. I actually like these tweezers, actually. These tweezers are very pretty. So they're pointy, but they're actually plastic. These are really nice tweezers. So they're not bad. I actually really like these. Well done, Mel. These are good. And then we've got some washi tape. Oh god, it is so cute. It is so thin, it's not funny, but it's cute. And then in this one here, we have the container. I think this has got sticker tape on it. Sorry guys, give me 2 seconds. The good thing about tweezers is you can actually just take off the sticky tape and put it on there. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, look at how cute that is. It says sweet. It is so freaking cute. Got the diamond, and it's gonna fall from my hand. Then you've got the thing that'll go into my collection of now how do I fix this? My collection of oh, that's broken. Anyway, I actually really love how it's got a premium pen, which is fantastic. Because you normally don't get that in kits, and I think this has been an amazing unboxing. So I'm really impressed with the way everything is and what's been received and how it's been packed. And it wasn't really that expensive, because usually when you're in Australia you pay a lot more for diamond paintings than what you would if you were in the US. I will definitely be getting more diamond paintings from this company. I will link all her details down below, so if you do want to go and check her out, please do. She is a small business as well, which is fantastic, and I love supporting small businesses, so we can get there and put that through. But if you have got, or if you stay here thus far, tell me what's your favorite diamond art company, or if there's any company that you would like me to try out so I can do a video on and do a review. Please let me know and I'll be able to do that for you. Alternatively, if you have stayed here till the end, drop me an Australian flag, because I want to thank you all for your time today. I wish you all have yourselves a lovely evening, a beautiful day, a beautiful morning, depending on where in the world you're watching this from. And yeah, as I said, please don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and leave me a comment. I read each and every comment and I respond to each and every comment. But yeah, your support means the world to me. So thank you so much, and I'll